So we're out here on the Arizona Trail, and unfortunately I've developed a slow leak on my Sea to Summit ultralight pad. I filled up this bathtub with water and I'm gonna look for the leak. I've blown up my pad as hard as I can so it's super firm, and now I'm gonna push down. Lo and behold, do you see the bubbles coming up there? There's the leak. So I'm going to take a pin and mark it here, and then I've got a patch kit and I'm gonna fix it and hopefully avoid punctures in the future. Okay, so we're back. I've cleaned and dried the pad. It was in soapy water in the bathtub, so now I have to completely deflate it and make it flat, which luckily is a very quick process for this pad. So here's the mark that we made that shows where the hole is that we found in the bathtub. If you can see that little mark right there, I think that's the pinhole that is causing all the problems. And the patch for this pad is actually really simple. It's just a single piece of adhesive. You pull off the backing. Try not to touch the sticky side. And then you cover the hole. And you want to make sure that it's completely flat. There's no bubbles where air can get in. And then you let it sit for 30 minutes before you inflate it again to test it to make sure that it actually sealed. That's it. Pretty simple. Thanks for watching.